invite sa akon as part sa kanilang ceremony. Best wishes, Ayan and Ma'am Ihada Liza. Actually, nagkato sila sa office. Ang unang request sa ni with Mars na ako ang magkasal. Kailang siling ko, under the law, hindi man pwede if I am not the acting mayor. So, hindi ko man mabalaan kung saan ako mag-acting. Ang suggestion ko, ano na lang sa judge. So, it so happened na itong staff ko, kalaslon man. So, mo to nga nag-double wedding na lang sila today. So, siguro message ko to both of you, to Ian, thank you for loving Liza. And my message and request to you to please love Liza unconditionally. That's only the request. Okay? That love without condition, meaning if you love Liza, I love her, be it beautiful or not beautiful, skinny or, double build. So that's my point, no? You love her unconditionally. Okay? So we will entrust her to you, and we're hoping that we will not receive any news that Liza is not okay in abroad. If time will come that she will be going with you. Okay? So that's our wish. And all the time, the family of Liza, rest assured that they will also love you. I saw it. I feel it that the family of Ma'am Liza loves you. Okay? So that's all. Again, best wishes to both of you. Thank you.
Wow! Grabe nga message ni Ma'am Bingwat. Grabe. Nabatian niyo to? Hala, may special request kita na siya. May special request ang newlywed. Kasi ninong Winston daw ay mag-attack. Sayang. Ano, ninong Winston? So, ikaw ang representative ni Ian.
Joseph na lang kami siya.
Okay?
Joseph na lang.
Okay, hindi kita na siya. Okay, ang masunod mo ang tiyo naman ng bride. Ang nag-iisang tiyo namon,
Kagwapo.
si Uncle Nalds, si Rinaldo Lazo Armada. Nag-iisa na lang niya tiyo namon nga, auto ni nanay. Okay. On?
Mayong hapon sa inyong tanan na binigay kami sa Mayor. Guys, mayong hapon. To Liza Ayan, congrats. I'm sure both of you were very happy today until no more. And I wish you all the best. That's all. Sorry, kita mag-ilog English na ba?
Wow! Thank you so much, Carl! Oh, very well, pati nag-English ito lang. First time ko nagpatihan nga nag-English. Thank you so much. Sino pa sa mga ini-volunteer na mag-atag sa mensahe sa atong nga newlywed?
Tina Bilya.
Si Ate Annabella siguro, sa tiga naman. Oo. Sa tiga nila ni Intanor Liza, si Ate Annabella. Sino na inipit? Siniklik na lang daw. Ikaw na lang daw matag. Sa gamay lang nga message.
Iya ang best friend.
Kaya ikaw man ang tiga nga friend sa ating nga bride. Di ba?
Lang ko ang translator. Inday. Okay. Mga tiya, sige ako na lang. Hey, Inday, Ian, congratulations, Inday. Sa wakas, nabuhi na ang mga laon sa pamilya. Okay, ako na kami, mamana kami, mga 40s, 38, mga ganon. Kasi we enjoy life. Before kami mag-settle down, kung mayroong partner. Inday is not only my pamangkin, but also my friend. Iya ka na sa o kanakuha.
Yes.
Iyan, intindihin mo na lang ha.
I will
Anyway,
explain it.
Nay, I am so happy, both of you. No? Alam ko, it's not too late pa naman to have. I hope God will bless you, will give you a gift that will complete your family. That's my wish for you.
Thank you, Nick. Ay,
I hope and every day you enjoy your life, husband and wife, love with each other, and enjoy every day. No, huwag kang isipin na husband and wife, you are also a best friend. No, Inday and Ian, welcome to our family. I hope you enjoy. You accept us your family also. And Inday, basta I am happy to my friend Inday.
thank you, Nick. Thank you.
Ha?
Thank you.
Ha, Inday, welcome sa club.
Yes.
And best wishes. And congratulations.
I always counting you, Nick.
Yun lang, thank you.